Good morning, everyone. Mike McConville here one more time, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for String Tech Workstations. It looks like spring has finally arrived. I think I can safely say there's not going to be any more snow in Stratford. So we got a couple of interesting things on the go here today. This is this Blackhawk, which is kind of a high-end version of the Nighthawk that Gibson came out with many years ago. It's had quite a bit of work done on it. This was shipped up from Wyoming. And the customer's still having issues with buzzing and won't play in tune. We're obviously going to put a compensated nut on this. So before we get to that, this video is actually dedicated to low-tech solutions to high-tech problems. Okay, here, Jody, this is a video exclusively for you, my friend. So here's the knife that you sent, which I love. Thanks very much. Wonderful birthday present. And that is the original knife blade that kind of threads in there. Solid brass. Great. I'm going to soften those edges and buff it out, but that's not why I'm making this video. I wanted to show you. This is my original knife. It burnt out, and we all know about that, so that's kind of set aside. But here's the deal. That was the thickness of the shaft that went into that original knife. This is the difference between the two. So this is 1/68 thou. I turned it down with my poor man's lathe to the right thickness. Okay, so what we ended up with, 168.5, 168.5. Now we're going to chop it off and then chase the thread into that shaft. Necessity's mother of invention? Well, yeah, but frugality is the true mother of invention. We figured out a way to do it. So I'll start by cutting this off here on the bandsaw. Okay, we'll bring that in a little closer to the mark now. Try not to laugh too hard there, Jody. This is our low-tech solution to a high-tech problem. It's just one of those jobs. You're not going to bother a machinist to do this for you. And like most real guitar techs, man, you got to figure it out and make it up as you go. By the way, the Jody that I keep referring to in the videos is a customer and friend of mine from Reading, Pennsylvania, and machinist extraordinaire. This is a guy that designs racing transmissions from the ground up. And he's the guy that's going to appreciate, more than anybody, the idea of finding a low-tech solution to a high-tech problem. And any real full-time guitar techs that have been at this as long as I have, a half a century or 25 years, they know that making it up as you go is a big part of it.